So you may know what this thing is. This entity is called Trash's Enemy. You may know her from my last video on her. She is a racist who makes fun of this girl named Sarah, who is innocent in this beef.
I have nitrogen monoxide Bobux. I'm gonna ask Baka for Bobux BC, he billionaire.
Hi.
I will fart on your face if you don't.
Okay, anything for you, cute Princess Yu.
Kaka V419 has Dave Idiots.
Kaka, I don't want to be your BF anymore, you're so poor.
ABC to be in my GC.
ABC. Hell.
Turkish Master has
WTF, you did even letted me say hello.
Sorry, my bad, say it here, E.
Hell.
WTF.
Hey, you shut the up.
Shut up, kid.
Pulse kick this kid. She wears Stitch face. She wears Stitch face.
Never you. I mean.
Number.
Anyways, let's do name reveal, age reveal, and face reveal.
in my